Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. First, scroll down to this video's description and click the official Adobe Lightroom free trial link. This takes you directly to Adobe's safe and secure trial page. Before you start, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements. Lightroom is a pro-level photo editing tool that runs best on a solid machine. Once you're on the trial page, click Start Free Trial and select the individual plan. This gives you 7 days of full access to Adobe Lightroom, absolutely free, with no limitations. It's a great opportunity to explore all the features and see what Lightroom can do for your photos. While at it, you can also check the option to try Adobe Stock. You'll get 10 premium assets for free, like stock images and design templates. The best part? Even if you cancel your trial before it ends, you still keep those 10 assets. Next, sign in with your Adobe account or create one if you don't already have one. Adobe will request a payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. I'll guide you on how to set a reminder to avoid being billed so you can enjoy the trial worry-free. After signing in, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, find Lightroom in the app list, and click Install. Depending on your internet speed, the download and installation should only take a few minutes. That's it. You now have Adobe Lightroom fully installed and ready to use, for free, for 7 days. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is the perfect time to test it out and see what Lightroom can do. Use the link in the description to get started and follow the steps exactly as shown. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and drop a comment below if you need help. I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching and enjoy editing your photos like a pro.